Okay guys, I was looking around under here earlier because I heard something hitting in the back. Well, what it is it's the exhaust pipe hitting the axle. Okay, so I'm wondering, just looking and stuff, and I see that, right here was my exhaust leak. So that is a lot what that noise was. I realized whenever I had the stethoscope on it that I really wasn't hearing anything coming from the engine internally. So we about concluded at that point that it probably was an exhaust leak somewhere. We were thinking more like on the back side of the engine or down at the donut or something. I want you to check this out. Look at this. I mean, this is just, of course, part of that would have definitely been some of that noise, but the exhaust leak itself was making the main noise, and any mechanical noise, we might have been hearing was coming from here, because when we had the stethoscope on the engine, you tell it wasn't nothing in the valve train or anything that was causing it. So I've got to get some work done on this. Now I'm actually pretty confident that maybe this engine is okay. Just it was running rough, but like I said, that gas is absolutely spoiled that is in this tank. I mean, it is nasty. It is orange and stinks to high heaven. So I've got to drop this tank tomorrow and get some fresh gas in it and see what happens then, and see about getting the right size pipes to fix this leak here. Actually, I think this needs to be removed, because this really needs to go up a lot more. It is sitting right dead on the axle back there. I'll turn the camera, maybe you'll be able to see it here. You'll have to forgive me. I don't know, it's probably going to be too dark back there or something. Heck. Oh well, anyway, take my word for it, it's hitting the axle. Actually, I ain't even seeing the hanger. I don't know where the hanger on this pipe's at. Oh, it don't look like it's got one, so I'll have to get a hanger on it too. Oh my God, man. Oh well. Anyway, I'll let y'all know tomorrow. Maybe I can have some more news, and hopefully good positive news.